Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have for every car enthusiast and household cleaner alike. The car wash sponge from BAISENJIE. This isn't just any ordinary sponge. It's been hailed as the best sponge for car washing currently available in the market. Let's explore why. The BAISENJIE car wash sponge isn't your average cleaning tool. It's designed with extra thickness and a large size, measuring 8.7 by 4.3 by 2.4 inches. This substantial size ensures it holds plenty of water and soap, making your cleaning tasks more efficient and saving you valuable time. One of its standout features is its superb water absorption and foam generation capabilities. Whether you're cleaning your car, truck, bike, or even household surfaces like kitchens and bathrooms, this sponge delivers rich foam quickly, enhancing the cleaning process. Crafted from a special foam material with a unique mesh structure, the sponge is gentle on surfaces yet resilient enough to avoid scratching. This makes it safe for use on cars, delicate bathtubs, and even furniture, ensuring a scratch-free cleaning experience every time. Beyond car washing, this multi-purpose sponge is a game-changer. It's perfect for tackling various cleaning tasks around the house, from kitchen sinks and stoves to outdoor furniture and more. Its versatility truly makes it a valuable addition to any cleaning arsenal. Each sponge comes vacuum-sealed in compact packaging, making it easy to store and carry. This thoughtful design allows you to keep sponges on hand without taking up much space, whether at home or on the go. In conclusion, if you're looking for a sponge that excels in both performance and durability, the BAISENJIE car wash sponge is the clear choice. Its ability to generate ample foam, combined with its gentle yet effective cleaning action, earns it the title of the best sponge for car washing in today's market. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Stay tuned for more in-depth product reviews that help you make informed decisions. Until next time, happy cleaning!